Bank statement mapping rules. You can import your bank statement to the system. When you are importing your bank statement to the system, you can search any word in the bank statement, and bank statement transaction can be automatically mapped using the description found in your bank statement. You can access this function from Banking, List, Bank Statement Mapping Rules. Example, assume you are running an apartment complex. You have apartment numbers and you will import your bank statement. When you are importing your bank statement, you can search for apartment number. You can set type to customer. You can select the customer name. You can select pet type. You can enter payee name. You can enter description. Like that, you can create a bank statement mapping rules. Save this mapping rule. After you save this bank statement mapping rule, blue color will change to black color. From that, you can check what are the unsaved bank statement mapping rules. We will import bank statement and check bank statement mapping rules. Go to Banking, Transactions, Banking. Click Import Bank Statement. Select CSV. Click on how do I set up a CSV file. Click Download an example. Open CSV file. You can enter date. Enter description. Here you will type that apartment. You can enter amount. Save and close. We will import the bank statement to the system. Click Browse. Select the bank statement. Click Import File. Now one row has successfully imported. Now in our bank statement, we have entered only date, amount and apartment number. From bank statement mapping rule, system has updated payee name, description, type and customer. Like that, you can use bank statement mapping rules to enter these details. From bank statement mapping rules, you can automate your transactions. You can view the bank statement mapping rule. If any transaction has bank statement mapping rules, this color will change to orange.